Hi, this is my restraints video. So this is holding. And then if you see like a dog or something that they may not like, you'll cover their face. And then this is scruffing forward. And then this is scruffing backward. And then this would be standing. And then this is physical exam. And then this is forearm stretch. And then this is, no, I don't know how to say it. And then this is towel restraint. You're fine, it's okay. And then the 3 reasons we do restraint is to prevent harm from the animals and the humans and to make the procedure easier. And then 2 other restraints are blankets and towels and cat bags.